In today's episode of Saga of Freedom Struggle, we will observe birth anniversary of a great freedom fighter and revolutionary Madan Lal Dhingra. We'll also observe death anniversary of a well-known Indian theosophist and freedom fighter Bhagwan Das.
Today is the birth anniversary of a great freedom fighter and revolutionary Madan Lal Dhingra. He was born on 18 September 1883 in Amritsar.
In July 1909, Dhingra assassinated Sir William Curzon Wiley, an advisor to the Secretary of State of India, at a gathering in the Imperial Institute, London. Dhingra refused to take service of government's attorney, saying he did not recognize the legitimacy of court to try him.
He declared that his act was a humble revenge for the inhuman hangings and transportation of patriotic Indians. While he was being removed from the court, he said to the Chief Justice, "Thank you, my lord, I don't care. I am proud to have the honor of laying down my life for the cause of my motherland." He was sentenced to death and died on the gallows at the Pentonville Prison, London, on August 17, 1909, at the age of 26.
Madan Lal Dhingra was a symbol of the youth of his time, who was strongly opposed to the oppressive measures adopted by the British ruling India with an iron hand. In recognition of Madan Lal Dhingra's valor, Annie Besant said, "More Madan Lals are the need of the time."
Another revolutionary, Virendra Nath Chattopadhyay, started a monthly magazine in his memory named Madan Talwar, from German, and printed by Madame Kama. Madan Lal Dhingra's name is inscribed in the hearts of every Indian for his heroism and fearlessness.
18 September is the death anniversary of a well-known Indian theosophist and freedom fighter, Bhagwan Das. An educator by profession, Bhagwan Das founded the Kashi Vidyapeeth. He served as a member of the Central Legislature of British India for a long time. Das was born in Varanasi, India on January 12, 1869.
Inspired by a speech of Annie Besant, Das joined the Theosophical Society in 1894. In 1900, he was awarded the Subba Rao Medal by the Theosophical Society in recognition of his contributions to theosophical literature.
In 1921, Das was sentenced to 1 year imprisonment by the British for association with the non-cooperation movement, but was released after only 5 weeks on a motion of the government. For several years, Das served on the All India Congress Committee and was elected to the Legislative Assembly in Uttar Pradesh in 1934.
In 1955, Dr. Bhagwan Das was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award for his achievements in literature and education. Bhagwan Das bid adieu to this world on September 18, 1958.